As you know, summer temperatures in Florida can get pretty high. Although you can't control the weather outside, you can control the way you care for your car during this intense season. Toyota of Clermont has some summer car safety tips so you can beat the heat. Check it out. Tip number 1, keep your engine cool. Cooling systems are what prevent your car's engine from overheating. Avoid the hassle of dealing with an overheated vehicle by bringing in your Toyota to our service center so that our techs can make sure it has a tank full of fresh coolant. Tip number 2, make sure all other fluids are at appropriate levels. Like the coolant, other car fluids including motor oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and more all serve as lubricants to keep things cool and working at top notch. Periodically check that all of the fluids under the hood are at the correct levels. Tip number 3, keep tires properly inflated. Driving in the heat with underinflated tires can cause your tires to overheat quickly, which leads to a blowout. Peruse your owner's manual to see what PSI level your tires should be at. Tip number 4, do not leave children or pets unattended in the car. Did you know that 80% of temperature increase happens when you close your car door? Leaving a child or a pet inside of a hot car has fatal consequences. If you have to remind yourself you're being accompanied by someone else, place your baby's shoe on your lap or put your dog's leash on the front passenger seat. If you have more questions about car safety in the summer or you want to check out any of our new Toyota options, just come on down to Toyota of Clermont. We're located at 16851 State Road 50, just off the Florida Turnpike.